Guys, I misclicked
I
again. Yes, I did. Yes, I misclicked. Like I always do. Okay. So today what we're going to be doing is fixing up our stunt hash brown. Yeah, I misclicked. Well, I already patched him up a bit. You see this cast right here. I gave him a brand new helmet. And I fixed him up on the back a bit. I fixed his head. So basically, we're going to make this hash brown a brand new hash brown. With this piece of paper, which I've already used a bit, this glue right here, and this pencil. We're going to be patching this hash brown up like heck. It doesn't fit. Stop, get out. Why does that smell like sushi? The bread smells like sushi. Stop. Nasty little person. A lot of scraps. I'm gonna have to drill this hash brown out. So how I'm trying to put the camera like that so you can see my work. And then my finger over here clicked the button down there. And yeah, it was crap. So I think we're gonna have to give him a brand new back. That sounds a little bit weird, but yes, I'm giving him a brand new back. I'm gonna put the glue up here. We're gonna go like that. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so I got that glue on. Now we're gonna draw some stitches on it. Huh? Grace! Grace! Grace has to go to bed.
So we need one.
Grace has to go to bed, Mom said.
Go to bed.
Wait! Wait!
Your list is fine. This is for me.
More stitches. Huh? Alright, wait a second. I'm going to take my dog out to pee. And then, while I'm there, I'm going to see how he does. Dark. Okay. Louie! I'm not going to pause the video. I'm going to see how. Where is he? I'm going to see how he does outside. Look at him. Here we are with a hash brown. So it's probably not going to affect him that much. But I'm going to put him in a thorn bush. You guys aren't going to see it that well. Dang, hash brown, you're getting destroyed. It actually is ripping him. Huh? I did something. He's looking good though. We also got this right here.
What are you making? Hash brown?
Yes.
Hashtag hash brown.
This is my stunt hash brown. Where's my glue?
Oh, you mean your ridiculous triangle girl?
Yes.
It's so ridiculous.
We gotta get his name out here. Alright, so do you guys think that this hash brown turned out good? If you do think it turned out good, comment down below if you think it did. So look at that. We've got our helmet on him. We've got his side patch. And we also have his cast. We have the bottom of him. Oh, we're forgetting his ears. His brand new ears. So they're going to be these two little triangles. Don't want that one inside there. We'll rip that. We're going to add him weird ears. And we're going to put them right where his ears should be. Yeah, we go there. There. Now we got stunt hashbrown. Getting ready to have some new ears. Brand new ears. There we go. Look at that. We're not done exactly yet. Look at that. His ears. So we got all this down. You guys like the hash brown I fixed up. If you did like that video, and I'll do more hash brown videos. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. And then ring the bell so you'll get notifications every time I upload. Bye!